Hello friends, today I am here to explain you how to generate paper or quiz online for the students regarding your subject. So first of all, click on any browser and type docs.google.com/forms. You will get the links. So click this option, Google Form Sign In. I think everybody has a account in Google. So this page opens. You have to generate a new one. So click this option, blank. This page comes like this. Now we have a questions and responses you can see after attempting the student paper, and this is where you create a question. This option, questions, you have a 3 tags: customize theme, your preview, and settings. So first of all, I want to generate a theme for my paper, so I click this option and choose an image. We have some categories, so work and school I want, so I want to choose this one and insert. According to that picture, I get the theme color and background colors also, so I want this one and green. Now here, untitled form I have to write. Suppose I want to generate a computer quiz for the students, so I write here computer quiz. Form description, I write a title name, networking. So this way. Now I want, before starting a questions, students will type their name, class, and their email address. So here you have a click on this option and drop down, click this drop down, you will get these options. You can generate a short answer, paragraph question answers, multiple choice, you have check boxes, drop down, you can even upload any type of file. Fine. So for the name, class, we click this option, short answer, and type here name, and this is for mandatory for all, so I click this option, required. Then again with this plus sign we can add questions, so add, again I want a short answer, and here I type class. Again it's required. Then again, this is for the add question. This is, you can import any question also. This is for the title and description. You can add images for your question, you can add videos also, and you can add section in your quiz. So here I click the question and write any question. Suppose I write here, I want to create a question for drop down one. So here I write LAN. Suppose this is the first question. LAN stands for local area network. option I have to choose for true and false type question it is, so I write here true. Again I want to add another option for false. Fine. Now I want give after attempting the paper by students, they will also check the question is whether the question is correct or wrong. So for that you have to do some settings. So click on setting option. General, it should be like this only. Go to the presentation tab and uncheck this option, show link to submit another response. So uncheck this option, then go to the third tab, quizzes, and make this paper as a quiz. This should be checked button. Immediately after each submission, student will check their number, and all these three options should be checked one. Save this, and after that immediately you will get the answer key. Fine. So again it is for the mandatory question, so required, and write this option answer key. Here click the option answer feedback. Correct answer I want only right, so the correct answer is true, and it should be save. Generate the point, suppose it is a 1 number marks, and done. So this way you can generate a paper. Now I want to take a link. For that, go to this option. By this option send, you can get the link in your email address, and by this option you can copy the link. So I want this option. Go to this get pre-filled link, then click this option get link, and you will get the copy link. Just I click this option copy link. Now I want to open a new tab, and here I just write paste, and this paper comes on the screen. Suppose I write any name, Amit class for 8th, and here I attempt the first question. LAN stands for local area network. I write here true and submit. Immediately this page opens. Your response has been recorded. Student should want to see the score, so I just click this view score. Why it is false? LAN stands for local area network. So it shows you 1 out of 1 of Amit. This option is correct. LAN stands for local area network. So this way student can view the score also. And if you want, now the teacher wants to see the student's record, so go to the same page, and there is the option response. Suppose 5 students had attempt the paper, so you get the result over here. Summary, you can see, suppose 4 students have done wrong, 1 students have done same. Question wise summary, you can see response, and individual you can see. Suppose I want to see the last record, so student is Amit, and the point he got 1 out of 1. So this way you can see the individual result also, and total summary, and question wise summary also. Thank you.